Just had a second one come in. Shot him right there. Freaking nutso. Well, got most of my tags filled for the season. First day. Man. What a hunt. That is cool. I knew there was other birds. I didn't get that second one on film, but he's right here. Just popped out to my left. The first one popped out right here, front. So he popped out right here. I actually shot him through these little trees right here. What a day. Definitely can see I was on the birds. Pretty nice. Got a long ways to pack these two. Jeez, like a 3/4 mile back in here. It's hot. You know, I think that's the first time I've ever doubled up by myself. Bingo. I ain't want to get up. Just want to sit here and enjoy it for what it is. That's cool. Well, let's get it going here. Do some recovery. Different in this western hunt for birds because you gotta be able to move, but also be able to tear down clothing. You're covering miles and miles and miles, so you can't just hop in the buggy and drive around. Well, you could, but most places where the birds are pretty remote. I don't know if it was very good footage, but the second bird I didn't get on film, but that's fine. I'm just excited I got 2 birds. Here's number 1. Nice bird. He's not as wide as the other one. The other one's wider. That's a nice beard though. Look at that. Heck yeah. I think the other one's nubbing of one, so he might be a little bit bigger. That's pretty sweet. Sunny out. Nice bird. 3/4 inch spurs. That's about how big they get around here. Sometimes you get them just a little bit bigger than that. Nice bird. Let's take this one with. Let's go get her up. Almost like a 65-yard shot or so. He was way out there. I was going to give him a second chance to have me make a mistake though. Pretty sweet. My birds out there this year. There's my other one. Look at this guy. Oh yeah, he's got big old spurs. Look at the spurs on this one. That's pretty good for a Montana Merriam. Not huge, but nice bird. Let's see what his beard looks like. Yep. I think the other one actually has a bigger beard. Well, one bearders. Yeah, the other one's got a bigger beard. Cool. That's two. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Red, white, and blue, ladies and gentlemen. Day one. It's not even lunchtime yet. Huh. Pretty neat. Love this. Finally got the birds on my pack so I can carry them. Pretty heavy for this little pack, but it won't make do. First time having packed 2 birds at a one time like this. Pretty neat. Have a good day. Getting hot, so I'm trying to rush back to get these birds on ice. Wind's picking up pretty high, which it was supposed to do earlier this morning. So it's nice that it's done now. I'm gonna get back to camp, get these birds on ice, get some breakfast, or lunch, I guess, lunch, and wait for Randy and Tommy to get out here. Well, they're dinking around town. So once they get out here, we'll get it back out after them. It's supposed to be windy the rest of the weekend. It's supposed to snow in the morning, so that ought to be fun. Yeehaw. But pretty nifty day so far. Gotta love the start to this season. Start and a finish. I guess I could get one more tag. Get my general tag. Shoot another bird up in the mountains with bear hunting. That'd be kind of cool. But love hunting chickens.